go.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. We're going to be putting up gates today. We'll show you the full gate process. These gates are just ones that we've had around the farm here for a while. Didn't have to get any new ones, but they are not my favorite ones. Have to drill big long holes into the ends of them just because they happen to have a long rod that goes through. So not my preferred gate. I like the ones where you hang them with hinges, but that's what we got. So beggars can't be choosers, as usual on here, these videos. So watch the process and we'll maybe take the camera up and show you what's happening as we go along. Here we go. I got my buddy Keith here today. He's gonna be helping out. I'm just gonna mark where these need to be drilled. And while I'm marking it, you can take these bolts out. Let's go put it on top of that piece of bark. One sec, I'll get it. There, and you can now find the right size bolt. That'll go through if I just take the nipper off. See that? There. And that will make the washer sit better. lift you. Let me get the bottom end started, then we'll lift your end up. You get the wrench on this.
Is this level, guys? Did you check it?
Huh?
Did you check if it's level?
I'm not too worried about it. As long as it looks kind of level, we'll pull it up more because it's going to sag down.
You grab a big wrench.
Actually, what would be best? How's the second in there?
This side? It's good. Just pull it in.
Pulling it in a bit?
Yeah. You can see the washer going into the wood a bit more.
Badly?
No, not bad at all.
Good. Now, you grab the washer.
What are you doing, Allison?
Hey, Bubs. You grab the washer. Washer and nut.
Yeah.
What's that? Okay. Lift your hand up. Yep. Pry it right up. Hard as you can. Keep going. Don't let go. Put it on there first. Okay, let go. I'd rather it be riding high. Over time, it'll start to sink. You're gonna put a wire through. Okay, can we take the blocks out of there? See how she looks.
Right on the blocks, yeah.
Back in the truck. So there's the gate. Our end. So I wanted this gate to kind of swing both ways, but this is actually maybe better in a way because now something can't get in. Something can't push against it and get in. And then the plan will be to have a wire on the bottom, maybe a wire on the top that we'd have to just lift off when we needed to, but I don't know. I don't think we need that. So we ran into a little snag on the other fence here. We're starting on the other side here. You can see the fence we just put in on the other side. Now we're starting on this side, which has the 10-foot gate and the 4-foot gate. And what happened was this rod here, this was the end of it before I put this other piece on. These were just absolutely rusted right onto it. When we put the wrench on it, it actually was turning and bending the actual ready rod. So what we had to do was we hacksawed this off, and then I even put this in the vise just to see if I could salvage the nuts off of this. We had it in the vise. We had it with a huge wrench and a huge pipe for leverage, and it still wouldn't. It just was just hard to get off. So that's where we're at. So now we're going to oil this up. Well, we did her. Oh, look at the little wind. A little windy. we did the gates. We had a little bit of technical difficulties. I'll show you the broken vise afterwards. So let's take a look at the gates, how they work. Keith, did you want to open them up for us? So the big one, if you let it go, it'll go on its own, which is nice, as long as you don't go too hard. I don't like to slam gates right there. Hold her back a bit. Goes back to there, and it can also open upwards, but we kind of want it to open in to avoid the electric fence. And then this one, because we had some troubles with this guy, it's a little tight, to be honest, but actually the tightness makes it nice because we can just leave it wherever and it won't move. And it will go that wide open to get the vehicles in, or it can go this direction, but it can only go so far. It can go to there. I can't cut any more off here because I'm gonna hit my screws, and I've already moved the screws over as far as I can. So that's our gate systems. All right, close her up. Actually, yeah, close them up. It looks nice closed. And now we're just about to string the wire. That looks like a little ranch. Garden ranch? No, that sounds like a salad dressing. Garden corral might be a good name that we mentioned before. Ranch garden? No. Corral garden? Keithy wants to call it Armagarden. But I don't think that's gonna fly. So there we are. We fought with that for a little bit, but the end result was pretty good. All old gates that we had around the property, so we didn't have to put any investment into that. They were already around, sitting around. We're good to go. What do you say, Keith? Well, I'll show you what happened here to the vise. My nice little vise, well, big vise that was in here, broke. Putting too much torque on it, and the cast iron part busted. I'll show you. There it is. Pretty sad, eh? It all just broke right off. And just unfortunately. And holy sweet potato, we must have been torquing on it pretty hard for it to bust like that. Hopefully I'll look on Facebook Marketplace, see if I can find something on there. I hear a lot of people use that as a resource for buying a lot of stuff. Facebook Marketplace.